This pool deck was a disaster. This pool deck was so slippery with algae, it was a lawsuit waiting to happen. The homeowner tried scrubbing it, but nothing worked. Enter our pressure washer with a rotating surface cleaner. 30 minutes later, it was safe to walk on again. We used a mix of chlorine and soap to kill the algae, then rinsed at 2,200 psi. The before-after is insane. This job was $450, and the customer tipped us an extra $50. Think your deck is too far gone? Tag us in a photo. We'll tell you if we can save it.